Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. This is going to be another mom video in my mom series. Today I'm going to show you the struggle of getting ready while carrying a baby. Real life situation here. I didn't set any of my makeup up and I kind of have a mess here. But we're just going to go with it. Ah! See, I'm dropping stuff. But I really want to use my Perception palette by Shayla and ColourPop. I just got it in the mail today. And I also got her highlighting powder, a lipstick, and the lip gloss. So I want to try that on. But I'm just going to do something quick and simple. And I always need one of these mirrors because I can't be holding up a mirror and trying to do my makeup. So sometimes I can sit her on my lap like this, but then I have trouble looking in the mirror. And she's not looking right now, but every time I open this drawer, she reaches to grab everything. Look. So as a mom, you just gotta learn how to do everything while carrying your child. Because sometimes she doesn't want to be with anyone but you. She doesn't want to be with her dad. She doesn't want to be with anyone but her mama. Here, Mama, let me fan myself real quick. Thank you. Hot. She's like, what?
It's delicious.
Hi, Mama. You see, mira. Let go of the mirror, please. Thank you. That's dangerous. And the other day, I was gonna film this video. On Cinco de Mayo while I was getting ready. And then she fell asleep. And I was like, what? The one time I don't want you to fall asleep while I'm doing my makeup. Because I was gonna film it. But then she slept the whole time that I did my makeup, so that was good. Ah! Look at, ah, she slid. But I caught her, but she slid because she's wiggly. She's a wiggly girl, and she dropped my lip gloss. Highlight. I'm scared that this is gonna be messy. She's gonna reach and it's gonna spill over. Because this is a loose highlighter, and this is in the color Boomin'. Oh my god. That is so pigmented. Holy macaroni. Whoa. Can you guys see that? I mean, I freaking love it, but that is a lot. Oh my god. Pretty nice. Pretty nice. Look, they're gonna look kind of bare. I'm scared it's just gonna dig me over to the side. dropping everything. Yeah, she just dropped all of that stuff on the floor. Listen to this. Ah! She got the eyeshadow on her hand. Hey, she got a whole bunch. I don't want her to get her outfit dirty. Let me clean your hand, Mama. What? Look at that! She put her whole palm in there. Hi, Mama. Hi, Mama. Why you did that? At least she didn't dig her nails into there.
It's delicious.
Are you gonna make a tutorial, Jason? Yeah? Are you applying your bronzer? Wait, don't get your shirt dirty. Oh, you already got it dirty. Maybe I shouldn't have given you a dirty brush, huh? Oh my gosh, she just dropped the palette. Oh my!
It's delicious.
This lipstick is super creamy and pretty. I have never tried ColourPop lipsticks either. I really like it. This is Quickie. Alright, so I am done with my makeup. Like I said, I'm applying mascara in the car because she's already too wiggly and I'm not gonna poke my eye out. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I know it's kind of weird, but I thought it would be fun to watch. Yeah, when you do your makeup in situations like this, it's just one of those days where you're just kind of like, man, I hope everything's blended out nice. I hope my foundation is blended to my neck. I hope my eyeshadow's blended. I don't even know. Hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give me a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you're notified of my next upload. And we love you, and we'll see you guys next time. Bye! Say bye, Mama!